Today, we are going to form a brand new LLC. The only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Eric Pinkney, owner of Pinkney Estates. If this is our first time meeting, please consider subscribing to my channel for weekly real estate investing content. That's right, people. It's time to start your very own business. And I'm going to create another company as well. So allow me to hold your hand through this quick and easy process. We are creating an LLC here in North Carolina. So if you live in a different state, visit the Secretary of State website and follow the same steps. Let's go. All right, let's open the browser, visit your Secretary of State website. Here in North Carolina, it is sosnc.gov. On the home page, go to Register My Business Online. Has this entity been created in another country or state? Select No. Choose the type of entity you want to create or register. Select Limited Liability Company. Enter the business entity name you wish to register. I'm going with Pinkney Estates Investment. Entity name must include LLC. For the designated agent, I'm going to be my own registered agent. Enter the email address for registered agent. Create a business email if you haven't done so already. Is the registered agent an entity? Select No. Enter your information for a registered agent. Does the entity have a principal office? Select Yes. You have to add an organizer for your business. This can be changed after your entity is created. Just add your information for now. Is this a commercial entity? Being that we're individuals, we are going to select No. For capacity, select both organizer and member. Enter your personal information and click Save. Select yourself in the organizer box. We are not entering entities for company officials. Enter your business email. For effective date, select effective upon filing. For the day the document was executed, select today's date. Scroll down and select yourself in the member section. Enter your name and title. Boom. You now have articles of organization. We just need to make sure the information we entered was correct. For filing options, Secretary of State will send the receipt to your business email. If forming the LLC is time sensitive for you, you can expedite the filing process. But for now, we're going to select None. Hit Next. The fee is $125. The electronic fee is $3, totaling $128 for the application. Scroll down and enter your payment information. And there's our receipt. Now that we've created our LLC, it is time to get an employer identification number, or an EIN for short. Think of it as a social security number for your business. Now we're in the IRS website on the EIN assistance page. Let's begin the application. Select sole proprietor, then continue. Enter your personal information, including your social security number. Select I am the sole proprietor. Enter your physical address and continue. Enter your trade or business name. They changed my business name by removing LLC, but that's okay. In the Tell Us More About the Sole Proprietor section, the answers to the following questions should be no, but go through each one just in case. What does your business organization do? Select your business niche. I'm choosing real estate. Please choose one of the following. I plan to rent or lease the property that I own, and I will be dealing in residential real estate for now. How would you like to receive your confirmation letter? Choose what you like. I'm going with online. Here's the summary page. Go through it to confirm accuracy. Congratulations, your EIN number has been successfully assigned, and the confirmation letter is ready to download or print. It's time for the toasty tip of the day. Toasty! Here are some things that can qualify for a tax write-off for an LLC. LLC tax reporting, car expense write-off, business use of home, such as a home office, LLC organization costs, like that $128 we just spent. There you go, newbies. We just created an LLC in less than 10 minutes. Congratulations, you are now a business owner. Time to celebrate.